Good morning, students. In previous class, we are discussing about type number 5, that is intercept form. Okay. Now today I am going to deal with type number 6, that is different form of equation of line, that is type number 6, that is known as normal form. Most important result. Now here the question, derive an equation of line, straight line, in the form x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. This equation is known as normal form. E equation ಏನಂತಾರ normal form, where alpha is an angle with the x-axis and p is the perpendicular distance from the origin. So remember, derive an equation of line in the form x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. Or in other words, the question like this: find the equation of straight line in which the length of perpendicular from the origin is p and alpha is an angle with x-axis. Both are same. Find the equation of line in which the perpendicular distance from the origin or length of perpendicular from the origin is p and alpha is an angle with x-axis. That is nothing but equation of line in the form x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p, where alpha is an angle with x-axis, p is the perpendicular distance from the origin. Look here, very important result. They will be asking final exam, that is 5-mark question. Look here, consider two axes, let x and y axis. O is the origin. Let the line, a straight line, L be a line, cuts the x-axis at A, y-axis at B, such that O is the origin. From the origin O, draw a line, say draw ON perpendicular to AB. Angle N is here 90 degree and alpha is an angle with x-axis. O is the origin, draw ON perpendicular to AB such that ON length is given, that is P. Perpendicular distance from the origin ಮತ್ತು point N ಇದರ distance ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ P and alpha is an angle with x-axis. Then to find the equation of line. Okay, ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಇದೆ, ಆ ಲೈನು ಒರಿಜಿನ್ಗೆ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಆ ಲೈನು ಎರಡೂ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಮತ್ತು ಆ ಲೈನದ ಲೆಂತ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ perpendicular distance from the origin is p ಇದ್ದಾಗ what is its equation of line? Its equation of line is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. Okay, now here ON distance is p and angle XON is equal to alpha, that is given. Okay, angle N is here 90 degree. Now total angle is here 90 degree. This angle is alpha. What about that angle? That angle is 90 minus alpha, right? Because total angle 90 degree, that part is alpha, so that this part is 90 degree minus alpha. This is 90 minus alpha, this is 90 degree. What about this angle? Alpha, because sum of three interior angle must be 180. Check it, 90 minus alpha plus 90 minus alpha plus alpha cancel, 90 plus 90, 180 degree. Okay, now here ON length is P and angle XON is alpha. Total angle is here 90 degree. This is alpha, so that angle is 90 degree minus alpha. This is 90 minus alpha. Angle N is 90 degree, so that angle B is alpha. Okay. Now from the triangle OAN, see that diagram, OAN, angle O is alpha, angle N is 90 degree, cos alpha is equal to, definition of cos alpha, adjacent side divided by hypotenuse, correct? Nodri, OAN in this triangle, which one is adjacent side? ON is the adjacent side divided by hypotenuse is OA, right? So cos alpha is equal to, but ON length is given P by OA, cross multiply, OA cos alpha is equal to P. Therefore OA is equal to P divided by cos alpha, correct? Okay. Similarly, also from the triangle, one more triangle, say OBN, angle B is alpha, angle N is 90 degree, sin alpha is equal to, definition of sin, opposite side divided by hypotenuse. So in this triangle OBN, opposite side is here, this is 90 degree, this is alpha, that side is adjacent, opposite side is ON, correct? Hypotenuse is OB. Okay, so sin alpha is equal to ON length is P divided by OB, cross multiply, OB sin alpha is equal to P. Therefore OB is equal to P divided by sin alpha. We got OA as well as OB, right? Since OA and OB are X and Y intercept, okay, since OA and OB are X and Y intercepts, okay, now here OA, its distance you call it as say alpha or theta 1, OB lies on y-axis, OB is y-intercept, its value is say theta 2. So OA and OB are X and Y intercepts, therefore by using previous type, that is type number 5, by using intercept form, what is the formula? Equation of line, equation of straight line is x by a plus y upon b is equal to 1. A means OA x intercept OA, a value is OA, plus y upon b, y intercept is b, b andre yavadu OB length, OA and OB are x and y intercepts. So x by OA plus y upon OB is equal to 1. This is using intercept form. Substituting the value, that is x divided by, what is OA? OA value P divided by cos alpha plus y by OB value P by sin alpha is equal to 1. Further simplify, that cos alpha goes to numerator, x cos alpha divided by P plus y sin alpha divided by P is equal to 1. Now take the LCM. Here in left hand side LCM is here P, in the numerator x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to 1. Therefore cross multiply, x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to P. Right? This equation is known as, this equation is known as what? Normal form. Remember, normal form ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು ಯಾವುದು equation, x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to P. Okay, so I will repeat once again. Most important result, derive an equation of straight line in the form x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to P. Or in other words, find the equation of line in which length of perpendicular from the origin is P and alpha is an angle with x-axis. Both are same. Okay. Now draw the diagram. X and y axis. Let the line AB cuts the x-axis at A, y-axis at B. Then O is the origin. From the point O, draw ON perpendicular to the line AB, such that ON length is, that is given P, and alpha is an angle with x-axis. So this angle is alpha. Total angle is here 90 degree. So total angle 90, that angle is alpha, so that this angle is 90 degree minus alpha, right? So this is 90 minus alpha, angle N is 90 degree, automatically angle B is alpha, because sum of three angles must be 180, sum of interior angle must be 180. Okay. Now from the triangle OAN, E triangle nodi, angle N 90 degree, angle O is here alpha, that side is adjacent side, biggest side is hypot, remaining side is opposite side. Definition of cos alpha, adjacent side by hypotenuse. In this triangle, adjacent side is ON, hypotenuse is OA. So cos alpha is equal to ON length is P divided by OA. Now cross multiply, OA cos alpha is equal to P. Therefore OA is equal to P divided by cos alpha. Okay. Now similarly from the triangle OBN, angle B alpha, angle 90 degree, that side is known as adjacent side, biggest side is hypot, remaining side is opposite. So sin alpha is equal to definition of sin, opposite side divided by hypotenuse. So in this triangle, opposite side is ON, hypotenuse is OB. That is sin alpha is equal to ON length is P divided by OB. Cross multiply, OB sin alpha is equal to P. Therefore OB is equal to P divided by sin alpha. We got OA as well as OB. Since OA and OB are x-intercept and y-intercept, right? So by using intercept form, type number 5, we know that equation of line x by A plus y upon B is equal to 1. A means OA length, B means OB length. So that is x by OA plus y upon OB is equal to 1. Substituting the value of OA and OB, x by OA value P by cos alpha plus y by OB value P by sin alpha is equal to 1. So if you take multiplication, that term goes to numerator, x cos alpha divided by P plus y sin alpha divided by P is equal to 1. In left hand side, take the LCM, LCM is P, x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to 1. Cross multiply, x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to P. This equation is known as normal form. Okay, remember there are 6 important different form of straight lines, namely 1 point form, then slope intercept form, slope of line joining 2 points, then 2 point form, intercept form, and finally normal form. Clear? So by using the result for normal form to solve the problems, now here problem number 1, find the equation of line whose perpendicular distance from the origin is 5 units and angle made by perpendicular with positive direction of x-axis is 30 degree. Now here given data, ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ ನೋಡಿ, perpendicular distance from the origin is 5 units, means P value is given 5, right? And angle is given, that is angle alpha is given 30 degree. Okay, now you know the formula for normal form, so that equation of straight line in the normal form is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to P, right? Substituting the values, x cos alpha value 30 degree plus y sin alpha value 30 degree is equal to P value 5, right? This implies x cos 30 degree standard angle, you know what is that, root 3 by 2 plus y sin 30 degree value 1 by 2 is equal to 5. Now in left hand side take the LCM. LCM is 2, that is root 3x plus 1y is equal to 5. Cross multiply, root 3x plus y is equal to 5 2s are 10. Therefore rearrange root 3x plus y minus 10 is equal to 0. This represent equation of line in normal form. Okay, alpha value ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, p value ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, substitute ಮಾಡಿ. This is the formula. Similarly, second problem, same question. Find the equation of line whose perpendicular distance from the origin is 4 units. Given perpendicular distance from the 4 units means p value is given 4, and the angle which the normal makes with positive direction of x-axis is 15 degree. Alpha value is 15 degree. Alpha value given, p value given. You know the formula for normal form. What is that? Equation of straight line. Equation of straight line in a normal form. What is that? X cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. Substituting the value, x cos alpha value 15 degree plus y sin alpha value 15 degree is equal to p value is 4. Simplify, x cos 15 degree standard angle solve ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ using compound angle. Cos 15 degree is 45 minus 30, that is root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2, correct? Plus y sin 15 degree value, remember root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2 is equal to 4. In left hand side take the LCM. LCM is 2 root 2, right? So that root 3 plus 1 into x plus root 3 minus 1 into y is equal to 4. Then cross multiply, root 3 plus 1 into x plus root 3 minus 1 into y is equal to, cross multiply, 4 into 2, 8 root 2. Therefore final answer root 3 plus 1 into x plus root 3 minus 1 into y, take equal on right side, minus 8 root 2 is equal to 0. This is required equation of line. Okay, nodri alpha value p value ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ to find the equation of line. Converse part, equation of line is given to find alpha and p value. Okay, problem, reduce the following into normal form. Find their perpendicular distance from the origin and angle between perpendicular and positive direction of x-axis. It means to convert given data in the form of normal form like x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p, and second part to find the angle alpha as well as perpendicular distance from the origin, that is p value. Okay, now here first problem, ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನು ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಿಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನಿಲ್ಲಿ x ಮೈನಸ್ ರೂಟ್ 3y ಪ್ಲಸ್ 8 ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0. ಇದನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ನೋಡಿ. x ಮೈನಸ್ ರೂಟ್ 3y ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲಸ್ 8 ಗೋಸ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ minus 8, right? Now here this implies eliminate minus sign, so that multiply by minus sign, minus x plus root 3y is equal to 8. Okay, now it is in the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Here a value coefficient of x is minus 1, b value coefficient of y is root 3, right? Now to convert given data in normal form, now remember the next condition, divide equation 1 by under root of a square plus b square. To convert in normal form, so that divide equation 1 by root of a square plus b square. ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, root of a value minus 1 square plus 1, b value root 3 square is 3, 1 plus 3 4, square root of 4 is 2. ಎಷ್ಟನ್ನು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 2. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 2 ಮಾಡಿದರೆ minus x by 2 plus root 3y by 2 is equal to 8 by 2. Or we can write x into minus 1 by 2. ಇದನ್ನ ಈಗ ಬರಿಬೋದಲ್ಲ, x into minus 1 by 2 is nothing but minus x by 2 plus y into root 3 by 2 is equal to 8 by 2 is nothing but 4. Clearly CLY short form, clearly it is in the form x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. Okay, where cos alpha is equal to minus 1 by 2 and sin alpha is equal to root 3 by 2 and p is equal to 4. But alpha angle same ಇರಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus ಇದೆ, plus ಇದೆ. Now here alpha is equal to minus cos of which angle is 1 by 2, 30, that is 60 degree, pi by 3. Here alpha is equal to 60 degree pi by 3. Observe it, one is negative angle, another one is positive angle. But alpha angle is common angle ಇರಬೇಕು. So make it as common angle. How to convert it? Therefore alpha is equal to, how to convert it common angle? In which quadrant cos is negative? In which quadrant cos is negative? Second quadrant. In which quadrant sin is positive? Second quadrant. Now second quadrant we take 180 minus alpha pi by 3, that is LCM is 3 pi minus pi, 2 pi by 3. This is alpha value because alpha lies in which quadrant? Second quadrant. ಯಾಕೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್ ಆಯಿತು? ಇನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಸ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಸೈನ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲಿಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್ ವಿ ಟೇಕ್ 180 minus theta, 180 minus theta value pi by 3, LCM 3, 1 3s are 3, 3 pi minus 1 pi, 2 pi by 3. Therefore ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಅಲ್ಫಾ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು? 2 pi by 3. Don't write minus pi by 3 plus pi by 3. Don't write plus or minus pi by 3. Okay, ಕಾಮನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಇರಬೇಕು and p value is 4. This is normal form. Similarly second one ನೋಡಿ, y minus 2 is equal to 0. Now y minus 2 can be written as, we can write 0 into x plus y minus 2 or is equal to 2. It is in the form ax plus by is equal to c. Here a value 0, b value coefficient of I 1. So divide equation 1 by formula root of a square plus b square, that is root of 0 square is 0, 1 square is 1, 0 plus 1, root 1 is nothing but 1, divide by 1 and ಇದೆ ಆಯ್ತು ತಾನೆ. So that is 0 into x plus y is equal to 2. Clearly it is in the form, ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮಿಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಇದು? It is in the form x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. 1 can be written as y into 1, ಬರಿಬೋದಾ? y into 1. X can, that is 0 into x can be written as x into 0 plus y into 1 is equal to p. It is in the form x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p, where cos alpha is equal to, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ cos alpha ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನು? x cos alpha ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ನಾಗ ಏನಿದೆ? 0 and sin alpha ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಿದೆ? 1. p ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 2. cos alpha 0 ಆದರೆ alpha is equal to, cos of which angle is 0? 90 degree. sin alpha is equal to 1, alpha is equal to 90 degree. Both are positive angle. Therefore alpha angle is pi by 2 and p value is 2. Right? Whereas third one, x minus y is equal to 4 implies x minus y can be written as x into 1 plus y into minus 1 is equal to 4. Clearly it is in the form, x cos alpha plus, sorry, now here a value 1, b value minus 1, divide equation 1 by under root of a square plus b square, that equals root of a value 1 square 1 plus b value minus 1 square is plus 1, root of 1 plus 1 2 divide by root 2. So we get ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ x by root 2 plus y into minus 1 by root 2 is equal to 4 by root 2. Further simplify, x by root 2 can be written as x into 1 by root 2 plus y into minus 1 by root 2, correct? Is equal to 4 by root 2. 4 can be written as 2 into 2 divided by root 2. ಬರಿಬೋದಲ್ಲ? So that is x into 1 by root 2 plus y into minus 1 by root 2 is equal to 2 into 2. 1 2 as it is. Another 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. ಬರಿಬೋದಲ್ಲ? Divided by root 2. So 1 root 2 cancel. Right. Now it is in the form. Now that is equal to x into 1 by root 2, right, plus y into minus 1 by root 2 is equal to 2 root 2. Clearly it is in the form. ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ನೋಡಿ ಇದು, x into cos alpha plus y into sin alpha is equal to p, where cos alpha is equal to 1 by root 2 and sin alpha is equal to minus 1 by root 2, p value 2 root 2. Now cos alpha 1 by root 2 ಆದರೆ angle alpha how much degree? 45 degree. Sin alpha is equal to minus 1 by root 2, alpha is equal to minus 45 degree, but one angle is positive, another angle is negative. Combine those two to make it as positive angle. Observe it, in which quadrant cos is positive and sin is negative. ಯಾವ quadrantದಲ್ಲಿ cos positive ಇರುತ್ತೆ, sin negative ಇರುತ್ತೆ. You know that there are 4 quadrants. First quadrant all t ratios are positive, second quadrant sin and cosec are positive, third quadrant tan and cot are positive, fourth quadrant cos and sec are positive. Cos positive, sin negative. Therefore alpha is equal to 4th quadrant we take 360 minus theta, theta value pi by 4, that is LCM is 4, 1 4s are 4, 8 pi minus 1 pi, 7 pi by 4, because alpha lies in which quadrant? 4th quadrant. 4th quadrant dalle cos positive irutte, sin negative irutte. Therefore alpha angle is 7 pi by 4 and p value is 2 root 2. Okay, so convert given equation into normal form. These are the normal form. Okay, one more problem. Find the equation of line in normal form given that ready-made food, everything is given. First one, alpha is equal to 45 degree, p is equal to 4. Second one, alpha value 135 degree, p is equal to 2. Third one, alpha is equal to 210 degree, p is equal to 7. Look here, so first one, given alpha is equal to 45 degree and p is equal to 4. Find the equation of line in normal form. You know that equation of straight line in normal form ಏನಿದೆ, x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. Substituting the value, x cos alpha value 45 degree plus y sin alpha value 45 degree, right, is equal to p value 4, that is x cos 45 degree how much? 1 by root 2 plus y sin 45 degree 1 by root 2 is equal to 4. Now take the LCM. LCM is here root 2, right? 1 into x 1 into y is equal to 4. Cross multiply x plus y is equal to 4 root 2, or x plus y minus 4 root 2 is equal to 0. Take equal on right side. Minus 4 root 2 is equal to 0. This is equation of line. Okay. Whereas second problem, given alpha is equal to 135 degree, p is equal to 2. Now to find equation of line in normal form, equation of line is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. X into cos alpha, alpha value 135 degree, plus y into sin alpha value 135 degree is equal to 2. Simplify. X cos 135 degree, you know the allied angle. Cos of 135 degree, is it 135 degree standard angle? No. Is it quadrant angle? No. Split of the angle. How to split? 135 degree can be written as, we take 180 minus 45 or 90 degree plus 45. Okay. Now that 45 degree call it as theta. It is in the form 180 minus theta. If the angle 180 minus theta, trigonometric ratios remain same, but 180 minus theta lies in which quadrant? Second quadrant. In second quadrant, sine and cosec are positive. Cos is negative minus, that is minus cos 45 degrees, 1 by root 2. So cos of 135 degree value minus 1 by root 2. Plus y, sine 135 degree. Again same type. Sine of 135 degree can be written as 180 minus 45 degree. If the angle 180 minus theta, t ratios remain same, but 180 minus theta lies in which quadrant? Second quadrant. In second quadrant, sine and cosec are positive. Sine 45 degree value 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2 is equal to 2. Then simplify. This implies in left hand side LCM is root 2, correct? Here minus x plus y is equal to 2 implies cross multiply minus x plus y is equal to 2 root 2, or minus x plus y minus 2 root 2 is equal to 0, or multiply by minus sign x minus y plus 2 root 2 is equal to 0. This is normal form of equation of line. Whereas third problem, alpha value 210 degree, p is equal to 7. Now to find the equation of line in a normal form, the formula x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. Okay, x cos alpha. Cos alpha value 210 degree plus y sin alpha value 210 degree is equal to p value 7. And now to find 270 degree, cos 270 degree. Cos of 210 degree is equal to, split of the angle 180 plus 30 degree, because 180 plus 30 is 210. If the angle 180 plus theta, t ratios remain same. But 180 plus theta lies in which quadrant? Third quadrant. In third quadrant, tan and cot are positive, cos is negative, minus cos 30 degree angle, remember root 3 by 2. Similarly, to find sin 210 degree, sin 210 degree is equal to sin of, we write 180 plus 30 or 270 minus 60. Okay. Now, if the angle 180 plus theta, t ratios remain same, but 180 plus theta lies in which quadrant? Third quadrant. Tan and cot are positive, sin is negative, that is minus sin 30 degree value, remember 1 by 2. So, x into cos 210 degree value minus root 3 by 2 plus y into sin 210 degrees minus 1 by 2 is equal to 7. Right? This implies, take the LCM, LCM is here 2, minus root 3x plus into minus 1y is equal to 7. Cross multiply minus root 3x minus y is equal to minus root 3x minus y is equal to 7 2s are 14, or minus root 3x minus y, take equal on right side, minus 14 is equal to 0, multiply by minus sign, plus root 3x plus y plus 14 is equal to 0. This is normal form of equation of line. Okay, remember all different form of equation of straight line. There are 6 different form of equation of straight line. Remember, one point form, that is y minus y1 is equal to m into bracket x minus x1. Type number 2, slope intercept form, that is y is equal to mx plus c. Type number 3, slope of line joining 2 points, that is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Type number 4, 2-point form, that is y minus y1 divided by x minus x1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Type number 5, intercept form, that is x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1. Finally, type number 6, normal form, that is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. These are the different form of equation of straight line. Okay. Next result, that is general form of equation of straight line, we will discuss in next class. Okay students, thank you.